So here's exactly how you can use TikTok to make money on Temu. It's actually really easy to do, and this method has never been revealed. It's brand new, so you want to watch this full video so you don't miss out on any critical steps. This can make you a lot of money. So the very first thing that we need to do is open our Temu app, and then you want to go over and go to the use section. Go ahead and scroll down, click on settings. And then you want to go ahead and make sure you have signed up for an actual account. You want to have an actual account or else you're not going to be able to make this work. So go ahead and click on sign up at the very top. And once you have done that, you want to change your country and region to the United States. And then you also want to make sure that your currency is set as USD. So once that has been set, you want to go back, go ahead and click on categories on the bottom left-hand side. And then you want to go to the search bar, and then you want to type in affiliate. So that's going to lead you over to the affiliates page where you can actually earn money by referring people to download the Temu app. So now with this method, what we're going to do is basically promote a really cheap but really awesome product on Temu that a lot of people should want to buy. For example, like AirPod clones for just $5 or monitors for literally $25, $30. Those are really awesome deals. So what you want to do is actually go ahead and scroll down to the really bottom. And then you'll see there's an option that says share items, earn money by sharing your curated items. Go ahead and click on that option. And now you can see a bunch of different options for you to choose from. And now as you can see, there's a bunch of different options for you to choose from that you can promote. So you can promote these AirPods that look really similar to the real ones, and they're literally just only $6. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on the circle on the right hand side. So that's how you select it, and simply click on copy items. Item link copied successfully. So that means you have copied that Temu link to this AirPod, meaning that if you promote this link to basically anyone and they go ahead and click on it and buy it, then you earn an easy commission. And then after you have finished that, go ahead and click on the arrow button on the top left hand corner and then scroll a little bit up, and then you want to find right here in the orange on the bottom, it's going to say your code. Mine is INC13626. Go ahead and click on copy code. And so now what you want to do is actually go all the way back. And essentially what you want to do is make a screen recording of yourself going onto the Temu app, clicking on categories, going to the search bar, and then pasting in your own Temu link just like that, and then click on the search bar. And then obviously it's not going to work for you, but it's going to work for other people. And then tell them that by doing that, then you can actually get these AirPods for really cheap. And then what you want to do once you have finished screen recording that is to basically take that into an editor app like CapCut and then just go ahead and make some text, tell them to get those AirPods. And once you have made that into a short form content, what you want to do is post it onto any social media and then link that AirPod into your pinned comment or in the bio. It doesn't really matter, and tell them to go over to your pinned comment or bio. And then if you just repost that a lot of different times on a lot of different social medias like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and just post like 5 to 10 of those videos every single day. It could literally be the same video. It doesn't really matter. The algorithm is still going to promote it and then make you pull thousands upon thousands of views, which is going to lead to a bunch of money. So go ahead and just spam that everywhere and watch the money start rolling in.